Okay, let's get right into it. I'm gonna transform this oversized $5 t-shirt that I got from Walmart into a Yeezy March brand or clothing line, whatever you guys may call it. So first and first, as you can see, I am making a straight line with my black pencil right across the t-shirt. After making a straight line, just make sure that you're cutting right below the pocket of the t-shirt. This t-shirt has a pocket, so I just want to make sure I'm not cutting in the pocket. I'm cutting below the pocket. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and cut right below the pocket so that I'm not cutting the pocket or putting holes in the pocket. But I want enough piece so that I can make the bottom. All right, so now that we have the top cut out, we have the top cut out. The top is ready and there will be nothing else done to the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a bar cut leggings sort of. So I have a fitted leggings that I did made myself. I'm just gonna trace that leggings for quick accuracy. And after I'm done tracing the leggings, I will go ahead and pin it down so you guys can see where I'm gonna be cutting at. For the line, the the circle, the red circle indicates that I will be using that piece for the waistband of the leggings later on into this video. So I'll just go ahead and cut that out, cut out the waistband or cut out the SSP so I can have a form of pants set. So let's just do that. And once again, that's the waistband. I will be using that piece as the waistband for the leggings so that I have a high-waisted leggings or bottom. All right. So we have cut out the leggings at this point. I will then make sure that it's even. I want both sides to be even. And once I have even both sides, I would go ahead and sew where the two red lines are to combine the pieces. At this point, I am now sewing where the two red lines are, combining the pieces, making sure that it is in the form of a trousers, or again, I'm using leggings in this term because this is gonna be a fitted short leggings. I would now go ahead and attach the two pieces together by sewing the middle of the leggings. So I just want to show you guys like up front what it is that I'm about to do to this so that we have a proper fitted closed up leggings right there. I'm going to sew there. I'm going to then sew the sides. I'm going to turn it in and out later. And you guys will just see like what it is I did and what the changes that was done to this to the bottom of the t-shirt that I have cut over, turning this into a fitted short leggings. There it is. I'm now turning it in and out so you guys can just get a little feel of what I just did. All right, so that piece that I had shown you guys earlier, the pieces that was cut on the side, it was actually two pieces that was cut from the side because the shirt was double in and out. I'm gonna go ahead, flip that out, and then sew it, creating a waistband for the bottom so that I can later on attach it and we can have a high-waisted bottom. So here I go, making sure that I have this waistband created. I have sewn both pieces. This is how it look. I'm now going to go ahead and attach it to the leggings, making sure that it will be a full proper high waisted length legging. I'll go ahead and sew that down by doing a straight stitch, and after that I will just go and I'm using like a elastic so that the leggings is fitted, so that the legging is fitted very well on my waist, and I can be able to, it can look flattering basically. So at this point, I have just now got the size of my waistline. I will use that elastic that I've just cut out to feed it into the top layer or the waistline of the leggings. Right after I fed it in, I will sew it down, and we should have a two-piece just like that, just like that. And as you can see, it looks very similar, or it is very well similar to the Kanye West Yeezy clothing line match. Um, I love, 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 love how this two-piece turned out. And once again, this is a $5. When I said literally, I spent $5. It was actually 490, no, 480 something plus tax. It came up to $5 on the dash. And I absolutely love how this outfit turned out. You can dress this up with a black or white sneakers or heels. It is up to your choice. I love this. I love, love, love this. And actually, I'm having so much fun doing these DIY lately. And I just want to continue to do these DIYs. Like, oh my gosh. Also, yes, I know I got a nice bum bum. This is how it turns out. This is the picture. Shout out to John for this beautiful picture. And that is Teyana Tyler. If I'm saying her name wrong, well, I'm sorry. Turn in next week for another DIY, and you can find my clothing brand on Instagram and Twitter.